we'll guide you through how to create Wix events quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to your Wix website dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Apps section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, you need to click on Manage Apps to see the list of apps you have installed. If you don't already have Wix Events, click on Discover Apps and search for Wix Events in the search bar. Click on the Wix Events app and then click Add to Site. After it's added, go back to your dashboard and click on Wix Events in your list of apps to start setting up your event. You'll see an option to create new event. Click on that to get started. Here, you can enter all the details about your event like the event name, date, time, and location. You can also add a description to let attendees know what to expect. If your event requires tickets, go to the Tickets tab and set up your ticket types, prices, and availability. Make sure to save your settings as you go. Once you've set everything up, click Publish to make your event live on your website. It's also a good idea to preview your event page to make sure everything looks perfect. Now your visitors can view your event and purchase tickets directly from your site. That's all there is to it. Creating events with Wix is a fantastic way to engage with your audience and manage everything in one place. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.